Way to go. Yeah, get close, get close. Lennon, you got it in 2 times. My goodness, basketball. Oh, almost. And Layla, you got it in 2. Oh my goodness, watch your head. Okay, careful. Layla, yay, Layla. Yay, Lennon. Oh my goodness, you're a champ. Yeah, I know, but did you see how many...
Basketball.
Yeah, I know that's basketball.
That's his favorite show.
Whoa, it is his favorite show. Look, he almost got it in again. Oh, and Layla almost got it in. Way to go, Lennon! Lennon, is that basketball? Lennon? Lennon, do you call that basketball or hockey?
Basketball.
Oh, okay, let's go.
That's
Woo!
Lennon,
Oh my goodness.
basketball.
Basketball, you said. Ah! 5 times in a row. Oh my goodness. Do you ever miss? Take your time. Oh, there's a good shot. Oh, so close. All right.